Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check if someone is spying on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and open up your phone, and you're going to go ahead dial this particular number. What you need to do is you need to simply go ahead dial, and with this number you can simply go ahead check for unauthorized calls and messages, right? And the next would be styling, and then simply go ahead dial it. And if you see any number that isn't your carrier's voicemail, you simply need to go ahead and dial again. This will simply disable all condition and unconditional forwarding. And the next thing what you need to do is you need to simply monitor camera and microphone indicators. So when you're using your camera, if you see a orange dot you can see on top, that means microphone is in use, or a green dot, that means camera or both camera and mic in use top of your screen. If you see these indicators when you aren't in a call or using a camera app, swipe down from the top of the screen to identify the app responsible for that. So if you see these indicators but you're not in call or not even using your app, then go ahead, check it out and see what app is actually open and that is requiring for that to be turned on. Next thing is simply need to review app permissions and device administrative. So what you need to do is simply need to go ahead, go to your settings, and then you have to go to your privacy or security then afterwards, and then you're going to make sure that you have access to your camera and microphone and location, which apps you have the access to, and if you don't want them, turn them off. Then you're also going to go ahead and uninstall all of the unnecessary apps. That should also help you out. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.